blue eyes are staring back. Pour all your tears on my handkerchief. Girl, you're everything that I'll never have. Yeah. I met my love in the pouring rain. I lost my way.
Well, drove to Mount Cook. It's raining pretty good.
Yep. It may have stopped for a second now.
Yeah. Which the Hooker Valley track is only 5 kilometers. It's about 3 miles. So that'd only take like an hour to do, right?
I would hope it'd take less than that.
Yeah. So we could still do it. We could just do it getting all wet.
Yeah, well, it just means that we won't really be able to get any photos or videos of much.
Mm-hmm.
So we'll probably still do it. Just won't really get any photos or videos.
Yeah. We might still bring the camera, though. Probably not going to bring the microphone, though. Because this picks up decent audio by itself. There's Glacier right there. And then it's kind of cleared up. It's not raining nearly as much. Lots of cars here still. We're bringing the big camera. Austin's thrilled. Are you thrilled?
Yeah, I don't mind the rain.
Let's go. Let's do this. Actually, I need to go to the bathroom first. The sun might actually be popping out, guys. See? Not too much rain. The sun might not. It's popping out a little.
A little. We'll see if it actually stays, though.
I hope it stays. You ready?
Yep.
I'm pretty sure
ready.
they're not going to be able to hear us, but look at that rushing water. Wait? Yeah. We're gonna wait because we don't want to go into the raging river.
I just can't get enough. I met my love, she removed my pain. I lost my grip, you know. I just can't get enough. Just can't get enough.
We made it. We're alive.
Gonna cross another suspension bridge. It's the second one in like 25-30 minutes.
Yeah, something like that.
This one looks like
It's a lot taller.
same length, but a lot higher up.
Yeah.
So we're gonna go and, play a game of hopscotch.
Bounce some more.
Can't get enough. Just can't get enough. Just can't get enough. I just can't get enough. Just can't get enough.
It's like Indiana Jones and the Temple of Doom, but this one actually followed OSHA regulations.
Oh my gosh.
I got that slick black hair and a clean white tee. Girl, you're making it hard to leave. But that look in your eye is telling me.
Starting to come down pretty good, but I think we're almost to the end. So we're gonna go ahead and finish it.
It's so windy.
Wait, walk. They probably won't be able to hear you. Just like hold up in your arms. It doesn't look as cool on camera. Yeah, go ahead. There's so much wind. It's pretty cool though.
This is bound to be a good evening if I stay a little longer. I met my love in the pouring rain. I lost my way, you know. I just can't get enough. I met my love, she removed my pain. I lost my grip, you know. I just can't get enough. you. You know I was lost. Who was I before I met you? You know I was lost. Who was I before I met you?
Made it.
Back to the car. And it's raining. So we just got done with the Hooker Valley trek. It was really good. It was a little wet. But it would have been really pretty if you would have had full visibility.
Just a little wet, yeah.
Yeah.
Just
Especially towards the end.
a little bit.
Started coming down a little bit more. And I'm freezing, so I'm like bundling up right now.
Yeah, you should better bundle up before I start the car because the AC is not stopping.
Really? You're not...
No, I'm not cold.
Seriously? Ugh. Sometimes I hate being married to a dude. Or I should say, sometimes I hate being married to Austin.
Rude.
Because he doesn't get as cold as I do.
And we're going to be eating some pita and chicken sandwiches, which kind of sucks because about halfway through the hike, we got a message on Airbnb that our hosts actually asked us if...
No, it wasn't halfway. It was at the end of the hike.
Yeah, well, halfway because it was at the other end, and then we still had to hike back. And they had asked us if we wanted to join them for dinner, except it was like 5 o'clock at that time. We still had roughly an hour to get back to the car, and then a 2.5-hour drive, which really sucks because we're staying with some really nice people.
Yeah, we really like them. Like, really, really like them. Yeah, I really wanted to eat dinner with them. And now we have to have our ham and cheese, or chicken and cheese and pita sandwiches, which I should be thankful that we have.
They're not bad. It's just that it would have been nice to have dinner with them.
Yeah, a nice home cooked meal. That would have been really nice. But yeah, good hike. I'm tired.
Now we have like a 2.5-hour drive back.
Yeah.
So we'll get back at probably like 9 to 9:30.
Really?
It's 6:30 now.
Oh, you're right. Ugh. We should have planned a little bit more accordingly.
A little bit.
Yeah, because we left early. We left at 7:30.
Yeah, well, we should have came here first, then went to Lake Tekapo, and then came back.
Yeah, we spent too much time at Lake Tekapo. So, which was fine.
Yeah, it was fine.
I just wanted to spend time with our Airbnb hosts because they're really nice.
And
they're locals.
The husband, he goes to bed at like 8 p.m. because he has to get up early for work.
So we're not even going to get to say bye to him.
We should see the wife, though. So
yeah.
Should see Julie.
Yep. Well, we're going to eat and then drive back and then probably call it a night.
Yeah, go to bed probably.
Yep. So, peace out, Girl Scout.
You know I was lost.